All right, 56. We're going to see some log, and we're going to need to use some log properties here. You have two logs right here. They're added together. That means we can do a condensation of logs. So you have x times x minus 3. Okay, put a big parentheses around them. It's equal to 1. Now we want to get x by itself, and there's a log in front of it. So we will need to get rid of the log. And to do that, we will have to do the process of exponentiation. We make those as the exponents of 10 because the log is base 10. So on the left-hand side, we have x times x minus 3, and it is equal to 10 to the first power, which is 10. So we will have a quadratic. Okay, so we will set one side equal to 0, and then we will factor, and then we have x minus 5, and then x plus 2. That will be the factors of x squared minus 3x minus 10. So we'll get x equals to 5, and x equals to negative 2. And you probably would have a choice such as like 5 and negative 2, and then you have 5 only or negative 2 only or neither one as your choices for this question. And the reason why we need to give you these choices because you actually need to put it back and see if these two numbers, 5 and negative 2, could give you a valid answer. Now, and this is where things got a bit complicated because you may not remember the nature of log. So let me help you remember this. Now, try to keep this in mind. This is a graph of log y equals to log x. Okay, it intersects the x-axis at 1, 0, and then that's a vertical asymptote. So for log function, it is never possible to have a 0 or anything less than 0. Okay, it's never possible to be 0 or less than 0. And therefore, so for the values here and here, they cannot be negative. And if you put in negative 2 into x, you'll find out that it will become undefined. We can't have a negative inside the log function. So the only way that it's possible is to have 5, because if we put it back and check, log 5 plus log 5 minus 3, okay, it's equal to log 5 plus log 2, and log 5 times 2, it's equal to log 10, and that's equal to 1. So so that works. X equals to 5 would work very, very well. Okay.